up, my beautiful people? It is your girl Victoria, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the bell button down below, so that way you get first notifications on whenever I do post. Now, if you all may have noticed, I've changed the name again from Victoria Nimley to now Victoria's Diary. And the reason why I did that was because I didn't really feel like my channel was really a channel. It was more like a video diary for me, because I am sharing my life experiences with you all. And that's why I came up with the slogan, writing a page every day, sharing experiences in many ways. Yeah. And now I'm just going to pretty much be opening my world a little more to you all, whether it be showing you all what I've been doing, or where I've been, or even just coming to talk to you all about me growing into my womanhood. But I'm always still open to sharing my platform with you all in open collaborations. If you all would like to collaborate with me, I always leave my email address in the description box below, so that way you all do have a way to contact me. Plus, I would love to hear your thoughts and suggestions for where I should take this channel. So please, please, please leave me a comment in the comment section below, and I will reply back to your comments. And for the suggestions that you do have, I may not get to the videos immediately, but I will eventually get to them as fast as I could. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And please, please, please comment. I really would appreciate and love to hear from you all. And before I go, I just wanted to show you all my new purchase that I got from Wayfair.com. I ended up purchasing this headboard. I really love it. I was trying to go for something simple, so that way I can just kind of have an empty canvas to decorate with. So I will leave the link for that below. They do have more headboards other than this one. And shipping only took about 4 days. And it only took me about roughly 15 minutes to put this together. So you know me, anything 30 minutes or less, it has my stamp of approval. So that is it, you guys. I hope you all are having a good one, and I will see you all later. Bye.